This tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get VistaPrint promo codes. So let's get started. So VistaPrint is an online website where you can go and print whatever you want and use it for your marketing, for your business, and etc. So you might be wondering on how you can grab a bit of discount while purchasing from this website. Well, you'll have to go to your web browser and search up VistaPrint promo code. And once that is done, you'll have to scroll down until you see this website, Retail Me Not. So I'm gonna click on it. So once I'm here, there are gonna be many options, so you can go and choose any one you want. But in my case, I'm gonna go for this one, which says 15% off your first order. So I'm gonna click on it. So let's say you're looking for a 15% off. You can use this code right here. 15% off, welcome 15. And as you guys can see, there's an expiry date, so you'll have to do it before that, or otherwise it won't work. So you can copy this code, click VistaPrint to go visit the website. You can choose your order and use this at checkout to get the discount. You can also explore many other if you want, but this is it for this website. Now I'm gonna go to some other website and show you a few more. So I'm gonna close this. Okay, so the next one is this website, Los Angeles Times, and there's this one as well, CNET coupons. But first I'm gonna head to Los Angeles Times, and as you guys can see, there are many coupon codes here as well. So the first, let's go for this one. Visa VistaPrint coupon codes for 25% off. So you can get a 25% off if you purchase something above $300. So I'm gonna click view coupon code, and that's the coupon save big. So let's say you're buying something from the shop over $300, you can save 25% off it by using the save big code at checkout. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.